In the smoky taverns and theatres of Elizabethan London, those who knew William Shakespeare remembered his distinctive voice.
Will Shakespeare. His voice carried the music of Warwickshire, not quite country, not quite court.
He spoke with such warmth, like honey poured over gravel.
His accent, softer than London's harsh tongue, yet sharper than a farmer's drawl. When he read his lines aloud, you could hear both the boy from Stratford and the man of London.
He rolled his R's like music, and his vowels danced between common and noble.
Even in anger, his voice never lost its poetry.
But what did the bard himself truly sound like? Here is Shakespeare as his contemporaries might have heard him.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them.
The voice of the greatest writer in the English language, preserved in the memories of those who knew him. Forever lost to time, yet forever alive in his immortal words. This is how Shakespeare may have sounded to the world he knew. The man behind the legend, speaking across the centuries.